Okay, today I'm going to do a review of Sum Swamp. This is a really fun addition and subtraction game. It's designed for ages 5 and older, but I have found that even my younger kids that are 3 and 4 also like this game because it's pretty basic. But it's also fun enough that my older kids love to play this with the younger ones, or even just play it by themselves because it's a fun game. So it has the benefits of being educational, but being really fun. And so how you play is you have there's 4 players, and they have these cute little plastic swamp creatures that you can be. The only thing, the butterfly kind of tips over a little bit. She's not super stable, which can sometimes be a little annoying. But the way you play is that you roll the dice, and every time the child gets addition or subtraction problem. So they're practicing, they do the addition subtraction problem to figure out how much they get to go. And so when they move, if they land, this would be a 2, right? If they land on one of these that says even or odd, they get to roll again. They roll 1 dice, and if it's even, then they get to move that many numbers forward. But if it was odd, if I rolled like a 3, whatever it is, if I rolled like a 3, then I wouldn't get to move. And the fun part about this is it teaches the concept of addition, subtraction, and also odds and evens, which is a pretty simple, basic idea. And the kids pick up on it pretty quick as they, learning what one can be divided in half and which ones can't. So if they land on a number like this, these ones are, you roll the dice, and it helps them understand the concept of addition and subtraction. So if it's a plus, they move forward 2. So they're learning that the addition is forward. And if it's a negative, they're learning that you go backwards. So they're kind of getting that visual for what addition and subtraction is. The other great thing about this game is that it has this endless loop part, which can be kind of annoying if you get stuck in it, but they design it really well that if you land on these ones, you get out. It helps you get out, these ones. But the idea is that you have to keep going around the loop until you land on this spot, and then you can get out. And the great part about this is that it's a really big game leveler. And so if a child is way back here and somebody's winning, they might get stuck in here when this person can catch up. And I feel like that is one thing that makes this game really fun, is because the kids don't get discouraged, like, oh, that person's so far ahead, because they know that the chances that they're going to get stuck in this loop will even things out. And so sometimes the person from behind can still win based on that. And so I feel like the design of the game is really fun and really simple, and it has done a lot to teach my kids addition and subtraction. I feel like they've learned more playing this game sometimes than their curriculums, because it really gives those basic ideas in a way that they don't even know that they are learning. I would highly recommend it. It's a super fun game. It's probably one of the favorite ones at our house.